this is tricky.
A teary-eyed Jay Leno says so long to The Tonight Show after hosting for 22 years. Congrats to him. That's longer than most celebrity marriages. Hey guys, I'm Christina Bear with Buzz60. Celebs and non-celebs alike took to Twitter to say farewell, some heartfelt, some not so much. Like Warren Holstein, who tweets, Jay Leno will now devote the rest of his life to classic cars, Doritos, and trying to fill the gaping hole where his integrity used to be. Then there's Dave and Stacey. Bye, Jay Leno. Thanks for ruining Conan for the rest of America. But others were more kind. Justin Timberlake tweets, thank you for all the laughs and great times. Also, can I have a car? No? Okay, cool. Heidi Klum posted a pic of Jay covered in kisses, thanking him for her 24 appearances on the show. And even the FLOTUS and POTUS used social media to send their regards. Yep, it's hard to believe that Leno's finally gone. He's like the person who spends 2 hours saying goodbye before actually leaving the party. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.